Hello guys, this is my alarm clock. It has Bluetooth feature with speaker, FM and alarm clock, radio, Bluetooth and for operating if I want, for volume, for changing the channel, and this is for pause or start. Now let's start connect with my Bluetooth device. It's already connected using Bluetooth. You can press Bluetooth button on that and just connect. You can change voice. But you can use various using plus minus. Forward, backward, pause and volume. Bluetooth. You can also connect it with FM. I usually don't connect it with FM. And for snoozing, you can make it dimmer. Okay, now let's set the alarm. For setting the alarm, press this button. Now you can use the plus minus. I want to connect it at 8 o'clock, for example. So it's set. Now it's set. Bluetooth is on, alarm clock is set at the time, speaker is on, you can enjoy. This is a very good bedroom accessory. I will recommend you to use it as a instead of lamp. I will use it myself as well.